Today, we will learn how to divide a lesson plan in a way that it remains engaging and maximizes learning without becoming boring. First and foremost, you should check the student's prior knowledge about the topic by using questioning. After giving the introduction, divide the students into large groups of 6. Through this approach, students will interact with each other and engage in discussions. Plan the next activity in smaller groups of 3. This way, each child will have a better opportunity to participate actively. At the end, students should complete an individual written task. In this manner, the lesson won't become boring because students will switch activities according to their attention spans, keeping their interest engaged. Always remember, the less the teacher speaks, the more students learn. The transition to smaller groups of 3 fosters a more intimate learning environment, allowing students to actively share their thoughts and ideas. Moreover, the individual written task at the end serves as a crucial opportunity for students to consolidate their understanding and express their unique perspectives on the topic. By employing this multifaceted approach, we can ensure that the lesson remains dynamic, catering to diverse learning styles and attention spans. It's a proven method where the teacher speaks less, creating room for students to actively engage, participate, and absorb knowledge organically. In essence, a student-centered approach, such as the one described, not only keeps the class lively, but also maximizes the effectiveness of the learning experience, empowering students to take an active role in their education.